Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit about saving money. And so, of course, everybody loves to save money, but at what point do you save money and then lose the money? And so what I mean by that is that pretty much every business, whenever you're starting out in business, you always want to try to save as much as possible. But sometimes the amount of time and the amount of money that you're saving doesn't really amount to hardly anything and can actually cost you more money. So let's take a look at this and let's see what we got. So number one, try to make sure that you're saving on the big ticket items and not just everyday little bitty things. Now, it's always great to save money at any point in time wherever you can, but you want to try to focus, especially on a business, to focus on saving money on the big items. So let's say that you need a new piece of equipment. If you can save an extra $5,000 by buying it through this other vendor, or by buying maybe a used piece of equipment that may save you 50% or more, that might be the better ticket. Instead of trying to go through and save yourself maybe $2 or $3 just on one piece or one part or something like that you need to purchase. So another thing that you always want to try to make sure of is that sometimes whenever you're doing business, it's actually cheaper to do a yearly thing instead of a monthly payment or something like that. So if you are possibly renting out a shop or something like that, let's say that the shop is $1,000 a month. You might actually get a better rate if you pay it all up front, but yet you pay a year in advance. So instead of $1,000 a month, now it might be $800 a month or $900 a month. So at the end of the day, you help save yourself a lot more money compared to trying to do little things to help save yourself the money as well. So another point to definitely look at. Even though you might buy the cheapest products out there, that might not always save you the most amount of money. We have seen it time and time again, especially in the hydrographics, as well as even doing vehicle wraps and vinyl graphics. Even though you save yourself a lot of money buying the cheaper products, I'm not gonna lie, most of the time you cause yourself a lot more headache in the long run because of the install or because of how it works or it doesn't work or things like that. Also, the saying goes, you get what you pay for. So whenever you're buying a good quality product, you're going to expect it to work correctly, and 9 times out of 10, it's going to work correctly. So sometimes you save yourself a little bit of money on the front end because it's a cheaper product. But are you really saving yourself a lot of money whenever you're having to use twice the labor to do that exact same install, or use a little bit more material because you're having problems with it? So sometimes whenever you're saving $1, it's actually costing you $2. So definitely keep that in mind whenever you're starting up the business. Also, another tip to definitely make sure that you try to do is to reinvest as much money as you can into the business. A lot of the times we like to take out money, of course, for personal expenses or things like that, because of course we still need to make money to have a life. But whenever you reinvest that money into the business, it makes everything a lot more profitable at the end of the day. Because if you take out, say, $1,000 to pay different bills or to pay for a new toy or something like that, you now just have $1,000 less. But you take that same $1,000 and you put it towards a new piece of equipment or something to help you be more productive, that makes it a lot better, because then in the long run, that will help you save time, help you save money, and it will exponentially grow your business into a much more profitable business at the end of the day. Now, is that going to mean that you're going to make millions off of one thing? No, but by helping to reinvest into the business as much as you can while still trying to, of course, keep your business afloat, that's the key in making a successful business. So for the last one, don't discount your work. or your services, because inevitably everybody is always looking for a discount. Everybody's always asking for a discount. Whenever you do discounts like that, a lot of the times you're shortchanging yourself, which is of course starving your business or not allowing you to get the right money that you deserve to do the work that you're doing. So always make sure that you are charging the right price that you need to make for the services that you're doing, and you're doing a very good quality job for that price. Don't try to renegotiate if you don't feel like it's necessary, because at the end of the day, those prices are what you need to do that said job. And whenever you start to discount it, then customers will think that they can always get that, and then it's possible that they may not even come back, or they're always going to want that, which means that you're now losing more money over the lifetime of your business. So always make sure that you know what you're worth, as well as what your services need to be for the job that you're doing. So hopefully this video has really helped you guys out. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. We'd love to hear from you on anything hydrographics related, as well as let me know what you think on what other things that you do to help save money in your business as well. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.